Same character, locked. Now it moves. Stable Diffusion WebUI can animate your LoRA character with one free extension, AnimateDiff. And in 2026, with Sora gone, local is the smartest move. Let's build your first animated clip.
One extension, 3 levels of motion. Level 1, text to video. A prompt becomes a 2-second clip. Level 2, your character LoRA, the same face on every frame. Level 3, ControlNet V2V. Your character copies any motion. One important note, SD 1.5 only, and there is no motion scale slider in this WebUI.
Step 1. Install the extension. Open the Extensions tab, then Install from URL. Paste this repository address and press Install. Wait for the success message, then open the Installed tab and click Apply and Restart UI.
After the restart, open Settings, Optimization, and enable Pad Prompt and Negative Prompt to be the same length. This is required. Skip it, and you can get 2 unrelated GIFs.
Now the motion module. Download MFD15V2 from the author's Hugging Face Mirror, about 866 megabytes. Place it in the extensions SD WebUI AnimateDiff model folder. Note the singular model, not models.
The 2 was trained on 16 frames, so use 16 frames for the best result.
Time for your first clip. In TX-EPSD2 IMG, expand the AnimateDiff panel. Enable AnimateDiff, keep the V2 motion module, set 16 frames, 8 FPS, and context batch 16. Choose GIF and MP4. Press Generate.
16 frames at 8 FPS. A 2-second clip, and your character moves.
Now bring in your character. Open the Extra Networks panel and click your LoRA card. The prompt gains the LoRA tag at 0.6. Generate again. 16 frames, and every single frame is the same character. Keep the prompt under 75 tokens for clean motion.
Now, the real magic. Pose-driven animation. Upload a reference video into the video source box. The extension reads it and fills the FPS and frame count automatically. It even extracts the frames for you.
Then enable ControlNet Unit 0. Preprocessor DW OpenPose Full, Model Control V11P SD15 OpenPose, Weight 1, Full Step Range.
Press Generate. The preprocessor runs on every frame, automatically drawing the skeleton sequence. And there it is, your character dancing the exact same moves. No keyframing, no video editing. The motion comes from the reference.
Bonus trick, animating an image you already have. Open EMG Do IMG, drop in your hero shot. Keep the denising around 0.6. Enable AnimateDiff with 32 frames. The photo comes alive, and the character stays the same.
When things go wrong, out of memory, reduce frames, reduce resolution, or switch to Forge. Gray output. Update the extension. No motion. Enable AnimateDiff. Check the module, and shorten the prompt.
Flickering. Enable Free Init, pad the prompt, and keep the seed fixed. For a smooth finish, upscale the frames, then encode to 1080p with UFFMG.
Low VRAM, switch to Forge. Same tabs, same models, 30 to 60% faster. Clone the repo and run webuiuser.bat. ControlNet is built in, and AnimateDiff works through SD Forge AnimateDiff.
When your GPU is ready, 122 is the next level, but for now, Forge plus AnimateDiff is the sweet spot.
That is your animated character recipe. Install AnimateDiff, add your LoRA, drive it with ControlNet. Please animate fictional characters only. Real people's faces can violate portrait rights and deepfake laws. Like and subscribe. And next time we take this character to 122. See you there.